friends, this is Silva. Day by day we are uploading IT related videos on my channel. Just subscribe this. Okay, when I try to open for and connect to Wi-Fi in my desktop and laptops, this is a error, not showing Wi-Fi icon in my taskbar. Okay, how to resolve the issue? Okay, here this is a problem. Availability is 0. Now just open run ncpa.cpl. This is network adapter place. Here not showing also Wi-Fi adapter. Then device manager, go search bar and search device manager. This is device manager. It is under there network adapter, and under also is not detected for my Wi-Fi device port. Okay, once you have device problem is refixed, or you go to your manufacturer site, download the Wi-Fi drivers. Okay, from your manufacturer site, download Wi-Fi device and install and scan once here, hardware scan. Now it is comes Wi-Fi device. Yes, this is Wi-Fi device now detected. Now check here, connect or disconnect. In case your another videos for another drivers we have not installed it, go and install it. After check it here, availability is there. Thank you friend, thank you for watching. This related videos we are uploading next video. Thank you.